Christmas Crunch Muddy Buddies are for people like me who don't want to choose a flavor. I love chocolate, but I also love white peppermint bark, and the two collide in the best way in this snack mix. Add in some more chocolate and pretzels, and you've got a gift or snack people will come running for. They'll be loading up by the fistful. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a large bowl, add 3 cups of vanilla Chex cereal. Melt your baking or candy melts in the microwave with oil for 15-second increments until smooth. Add the melted chocolate to the cereal and gently toss to coat, keeping everything intact. Then add half of your crushed peppermint, then the other half, and toss gently to coat. In a zip-top bag, add your divided powdered sugar. Then carefully add your cereal to the sugar. Zip it up and toss gently to coat. I like to run it through a colander to break up the excess sugar. Then spread it on a cookie sheet to dry. In another large bowl, add 3 cups of the cereal. Now melt your regular chocolate with the oil in 15-second increments in the microwave until smooth. Drizzle the chocolate over the cereal and gently toss to coat. If you like, you can add some holiday sprinkles, but remember they're going to get coated with sugar, so they won't be as bright. Toss to coat. In the remaining powdered sugar with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa, add some more of your sprinkles to the zip-top bag. Add your cereal to the bag, zip it up, and gently toss to coat. Add a few more sprinkles for good measure. Run it through the colander to remove the excess powdered sugar with a gentle shake. Spread that batch out onto a cookie sheet to dry. Now it's time for the fun. Add a layer of 1 batch of cereal, then some candy-coated chocolates, and chocolate-covered pretzels, or your preferred add-ins. Then layer with the other flavor of cereal mix, and repeat with the add-ins and continue layering until you have a full bowl. Christmas Crunch Muddy Buddies give your holiday gatherings a delicious and festive kick. From the cereal squares to the chocolate candies and pretzels, it's truly addicting, so you might not want to sit by the bowl. If you're taking it to work or school, consider bagging them in snack bags so that people can grab and go. It makes a perfect gift, too. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.